Today's featured car of the day is a 1959 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe in this beautiful Vegas turquoise poly paint. And this one was a beauty. I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night, which was hard to do because it was pretty crowded, as you can see in the video and the pictures. And it's hard to film the whole car because you have to go out into the street to film the driver's side, and can be tricky without getting run over. But this one speaks for itself. It was a beautiful restoration done to it, and definitely an eye catcher, that's for sure, with the white top, the white hardtop two-tone. As far as the Cadillac goes, this is part of the sixth generation, which went from 1959 through 1960 for the Cadillac Series 62, which only went to 1964. Then they started calling them the Coupe de Ville. But before that, they were the Series 62 if they were the Coupe or the convertible. And like I said, it only went for 2 years, 1959 and 1960. The 60 looked very similar, but was smoothed out a little bit, had different style bumper on the front and on the back, and lost the bullet tail lights on the back, but still had the big fins, but not quite as big. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1959 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe in Vegas turquoise poly paint with the contrasting white hardtop. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.